Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EU deal done risk rallies.http ntvforex.com news ID FF0BA9 7/21/2020 10:18:30 am. EU officials come to terms on the fiscal deal. US equity indices higher. Nikkei 0.73%, DAX 1.88%. UST 10Y 0.61. Oil $41. Gold $1,823 ounce. TGUSD $9,349. Asia and the EU. No data. North America. CAD retail sales 8:30. After 4 days of negotiations, EU leaders reached a far-ranging deal on the COVID stimulus package that is almost even divided between grants and loans. The news helped to lift risk sentiment, with equity indices trading higher by nearly 1% in morning European dealing. The EU deal will provide €750 billion of the stimulus, with €390 of that in grants and €360 in loans, creating a wealth transfer mechanism for EU members hit hardest by the pandemic. The size and scope of the deal are historic and open the way for greater federalism within the Union, which could make Europe a more integrated market and stronger economic competitor on the global stage. At the very minimum, the fiscal packages catch up with nearly $2 trillion of stimulus that the US has already provided and should offer a further boost to global demand. The markets took the news positively, although it was expected, so the reaction was contained in equities, while FX barely budged, with Eurist hovering around the 1.1440 level. Barring any sabotage in the EU Parliament, which holds vast budgetary authority, the EU package should provide support for European assets as the continent returns back to normal economic activity. With the pandemic under much better control in EU than in the US, Europe may even enjoy a competitive advantage for the time being, as its industrial and service base could resume work supported by stimulus money, while the US continues to fight the virus in key economic states like Texas, California and Florida. The eco calendar today is barren, with only Canadian retail sales on tap. Better risk flows have helped the loonie rally over the past 48 hours, with USD-CAD breaking below the 1.3500 level, and if risk appetite can hold, the pair could move towards 1.3450 as the day proceeds. As to the rest of the markets, the tone remains constructive, with investors essentially convinced that despite the rising count of COVID cases, the risk from the virus has peaked as deaths remain under control, and the market continues to anticipate a further revival of economic activity. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.